Wow, the rainbow is breathtaking. Its color vigor is astonishing. Spot few peacocks dancing, with birds chirping and singing. Soft breeze blowing. This scenery is quite ravishing. Observe the cows munching, while they together move grazing. Leaves are gently swaying, while few children are playing. In the trees slowing swinging. Isn't nature amusing? God's taste is outstanding. Enjoy the smell while it is raining. Sun slowly showing itself after hiding. Rabbits running here and there hopping. Is this real or is it painting? Isn't nature amusing? God's taste is outstanding. Isn't nature amusing? God's taste is outstanding.